We are going to show you how to make the best homemade remedy against arthritis, rheumatism, and joint problems. The famous German-American father of raw food and author of the book Living Without Illness, Ernst Günther once published an interesting video about the treatment of arthritis, gout, sciatica, rheumatism, and other inflammatory and painful conditions of the joints, hips, fingers and toes, knees, and painful heel. He says that this home remedy is very simple and easy to make, and you just have to apply it to the affected area. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: 1 potato, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon flaxseed. Directions: here's what you need to do, it's very simple. First, you should soak 1 tablespoon of flaxseed in 3 ounces of water. Cook this mixture for about 10 minutes, until you get a nice and homogeneous mixture. After 10 minutes, you need to remove it from the heat and let it cool down. And, at the same time, you need to wash the potato and grind it, do not peel it. And, make sure you grind a medium-sized red onion. When the flaxseed mixture is cool enough, you can add the onions and potatoes and mix well everything. Strain the excess liquid from the mixture. How to use it: if you're experiencing any problems with your fingers or toes, you should pour this mixture into your old socks or gloves and put them on your painful hands or feet. But, when it comes to other parts of the body such as the hips, spine, ribs, knees, etc., we suggest that you pour this mixture into a cheesecloth and apply it on the affected area. And, after that, you need to wrap the whole area with some sort of bandage that will hold tight the compress. Leave this compress overnight and wash it with soap and water in the morning. Note: onion may irritate your skin and cause redness. So, you can apply a cream or olive oil before you use this mixture on your skin. And, make sure you consume fish oil supplements, which will help you with painful joints from the inside. The experts say that you should use this mixture until you notice some great results. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.